Whiz up a low-fat breakfast smoothie in no time. Use banana with other soft fruit, plus honey for a little sweetness and oats for slow-release fuel. Nutrition information: kcal 156. Fat 3 grams. Saturates 2 grams. Carbs 25 grams. Sugars 19 grams. Fiber 2 grams. Protein 4 grams. Salt 0.1 grams. The ingredients: 1 banana, 1 tablespoon porridge oats, 80 grams soft fruit, whatever you have, strawberries, blueberries, and mango all work well, 150 milliliters milk, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. Show time: put all the ingredients in a blender and whiz for 1 minute until smooth. Pour the mixture into 2 glasses to serve. Happy blending! If you like, you can subscribe to my channel to keep up with the latest news. Also, in the video description you will find interesting links that will help you make delicious smoothies to lose weight, increase energy or simply to be healthy. Happy day!